So, question 7 here says, when a cross is made between tall plants, okay, tall plants with yellow seeds. So, tall plants with yellow seed and tall plants with green seed. Okay, so here yellow is dominant and green is recessive. What proportions of the phenotype in the offspring could be expected to be tall and green and dwarf and green? Okay, students. So, we have got two parents with different genotype. So, for each parents, we'll first make the gametes. So, for making the gametes, we have to use the formula 2 raised to n, where n is the number of heterozygous. Okay. Now, using this formula, for parents with tall and yellow seeds, we have the gametes formed by 2 raised to n. So, there are 4 types of gametes. So, tall, both of them dominant, heterozygous, and both of them recessive. So, we've got 4 gametes, tall and yellow, tall and green, dwarf and yellow, and dwarf and green. Okay. Now, for second parent, we have tall and green plants. So, we've got only 2 sets. 2 gametes would be formed. Why? Because there is only 1 and 2. Both of them are heterozygous. Just 2 of them. Okay. So, the gametes formed would be tall and green and dwarf and green. So, now placing them in a Punnett square manner. This is all seeds with yellow plant. Plant with yellow seed, which is tall, and plant with green seeds. Okay, so let's start drawing. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 gametes. Okay, both of them dominant, one of them dominant and recessive, and lastly, both of them recessive. Okay, now dominant and completely recessive. Let's check. Capital T, small y, small t, small y. Capital T, capital Y, capital T, small y, small t, capital Y, and small t, small y. Okay, now this crossed with this, we get capital T, capital Y, small y. Done? So, these students would be what? Tall and yellow. So, this is tall and yellow. Now, this with this. Capital T, small y, small y. So, this will be tall and green. Tall and green. Okay, easy. Now, small t, capital T. So, capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. So, this is again what? Tall and yellow. Tall and yellow. Now, capital T, small y, small y. So, this is what again? Tall and green. Fine, students, tall and green. Now with this. So, this and this. Capital T, small t, capital Y, small y. So, again, tall and yellow. Tall and yellow. Now, capital T, small t, small y, small y. So, this is again what? Tall and green. Tall and green. Okay, so far so good. Small t, capital Y, small y. So, this is what? Dwarf and yellow. Okay, dwarf and yellow. Now lastly, small t, small y, small y. So this is what, students? This is dwarf and green. Okay, now what are we asked? The ratio of tall and green, dwarf and green. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Tall and green are 3 and dwarf and green is 1. So the answer here is 3:1. Students, this step of making the gametes is essentially important. Okay. So if you get this right, your entire Punnett square will be right. Okay, students? This is your answer. F1 generation phenotypic ratio for tall in yellow is 3. Let's see. Tall in yellow 1, 2, 3. Tall in green is 1, 2, 3. We need this. Dwarf in yellow is 1 and dwarf in green is also 1. So we need 1 and 2. So tall in green is 3 and dwarf in green is 1. Expected offsprings are 3/8 and 1/8. Okay, students? So here is your question number 7 done with the cross. Okay?